In the fast-evolving world of unmanned aerial systems, UAS, having a reliable and efficient power management solution is absolutely crucial. It's the backbone that keeps these advanced aircraft operational during critical missions. And here's where it gets controversial. Many might assume that all power supplies are the same, but in reality, only carefully designed, compliant, and adaptable solutions truly meet the demanding needs of modern drones. The microFLUX 4LP from Hargrave Technologies exemplifies this, offering a lightweight yet sophisticated power source tailored for UAS applications. But what exactly makes this product stand out, and why is it considered a game changer? The microFLUX 4LP is a compact, ready-to-fly power module engineered with precision for drone operators who require versatility and dependability. Drawing from over 10 years of experience in drone power electronics, this device features a modular architecture with 4 channels that can support both low and high voltage configurations, adjustable at the time of order. This flexibility means system designers can tailor power outputs to their specific needs without the headache of redesigning hardware. One of the notable aspects of this power supply is its use of components sourced from Western suppliers, ensuring strict compliance with NDAA, National Defense Authorization Act, regulations. This compliance is critically important for military, government, and commercial operators who need transparency and assurance that their equipment meets stringent legal standards. Moreover, the microFLUX 4LP provides comprehensive power oversight via DroneCAN integration, enabling real-time monitoring of voltage, current, and load behavior for each channel as well as the whole system. This level of diagnostics enhances mission reliability by catching potential issues early, reducing downtime, and simplifying maintenance. Designed with safety and robustness in mind, this device offers advanced diagnostics, circular data logging, and error-correcting memory, all contributing to increased mission assurance. Its compact form factor measures just 21 by 103 by 56.85 millimeters, roughly 0.8 by 4.05 by 2.2 inches, and weighs only 108 grams, approximately 3.8 ounces, making it ideal for payload-sensitive applications. Operating over a wide voltage range from 15 to 60 volts, matching 4S to 14S battery configurations, the microFLUX 4LP's output voltage is digitally adjustable per channel, providing users with precise control. Its maximum current ratings are 8A for the low voltage, LV, channel and 6A for high voltage, HV, channels, with rated continuous currents of 7A and 5A respectively. It can operate reliably in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for various environmental conditions. Supporting DroneCAN, the popular open protocol for drone systems, the microFLUX 4LP fits seamlessly into modern autonomous ecosystems. As the first product in Hargrave Technologies' Flux series, this smart power supply sets a new standard for modularity, adaptability, and reliability in drone power management. Whether you're working on surveillance, mapping, inspection, or other applications, integrating this power module can significantly enhance the robustness and efficiency of a UAS. So, why do many experts argue that choosing a truly compliant, customizable power solution like the microFLUX 4LP is essential for the future of drone technology? Because subpar power management can compromise safety, performance, and mission success. And the question remains, do you think the industry is truly moving towards universally reliable standards, or will there always be a gap between off-the-shelf solutions and tailored, high-performance systems? Share your thoughts and join the conversation.